Welcome to BotBee. What if we told you that you could now send WhatsApp messages to your Facebook Messenger subscribers by using BotBee? Yes, that's what BotBee has come up with. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send WhatsApp messages to your Facebook Messenger subscribers who provide phone number through quick reply user input flow or WebView form. And when we do that, the Messenger subscribers will also become WhatsApp subscribers. I will walk you through the entire procedure. These are the steps. Go to BotBee dashboard. First, we will have to collect phone numbers by using quick reply or user input flow on Facebook Messenger. Go to Bot Manager under Facebook, then click Create. Create the user input flow as per your need. I am creating simple one. Next, we need to create message template for webhook workflow. To create a message template, we need to go to the Bot Manager. Go to Message Template, and then click on the Create button, give a name for the template, then write the message body. And click on the Save button. Let's check the status. Yes, the template has been approved by WhatsApp. Next, go to Webhook Workflow, and then click Create. Give a name for workflow, and then select WhatsApp account. Finally, select Message Template. Then click Create Workflow. Copy the webhook workflow. And then go to Bot Manager under Facebook. Select JSON API Connector. Then click Create. Give a name, and paste the copied webhook URL. Select the correct user input flow. Now go to Webhook Workflow. And then click Capture Webhook Response. Now go to Facebook page to collect sample data. Yes, we have received sample data successfully. Now fetch the data. Select the phone number. Username in WhatsApp, we need to use the first name and last name in a single string as a username. So we will concat the first and last names to create a username. Let's select the first name and create a formatter from the action. Select concat right, so it will contact right with a white space. Let's add white space as a parameter value. Just copy this and paste it on the glue field. In the concat field, put last name, save the formatter. Save the workflow. Now let's test by providing a phone number on Facebook Messenger. Let's check the report on the BotBee. It must send the message within few seconds. Please wait for a while and check back. If we go to the BotBee live chat, we will see that the message is sent from the BotBee WhatsApp bot account. So this is how you can send WhatsApp messages to your Facebook Messenger subscribers. Thank you for watching the video.